This is secret of Flux Project 4i. Here's the details. Flux Project 4i is a compact design, with small dimensions, length 165 mm, width 120 mm and height 43 mm. It comes with a full silver die-cast aluminum cover, so it can strengthen its image as a classy DSP amp. Flux Project 4i is equipped with a built-in 4-channel full-range amplifier with a maximum output power of 50 watt at 4 ohm load and a built-in 31-band professional DSP, digital signal processor, 6-channel. Its function as a DSP has been supported by software with a simple UI display, but still with a very flexible setting feature to perform sound settings. It also uses high-grade components with a double-layer circuit, including the use of analog to digital 96 kHz 24-bit, digital to analog 192 kHz sampling rate, 24-bit converters for quality sound processing with high resolution. For its connectivity on the audio system, Flux Project 4i is supported with 4-channel high-level input, 4-channel RCA input and 6-channel RCA output. With these features and specifications, Flux Project 4i can function as a DSP amplifier plug-and-play OEM audio system using a harness or 6-channel standalone DSP and using an external amplifier according to the needs of the desired audio system concept. For more information, contact our admin.
Visit ASC Malaysia for more info.